Wala akong pakain. Ano? Good morning! So, it's the next day and medyo kakagising ko lang. I woke up a little late today than usual kasi feeling ko binawi ko lahat ng tulog ko na hindi ko na itulog the past week. So, good for me. So, yeah. I just made myself like a lemon tea kasi kailangan ko for my voice. Medyo rough pa yung voice ko. Ayun. I'm just going to watch a few vlogs. And yeah, yun lang. So, also, this little girl woke up with me. Yung dalawa nasa kama pa. Bubbles! Good job! Also, if you guys will notice, meron siyang like sugat like under the eye. That's like an infection. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, she's currently on medication na. And I've been spraying like antiseptic para gumaling na si Bubbles. Right? Good job. Kali, ano ba yan? Sleep! Gustong sumama. No, you're not allowed! Next week pa yung pet hodl. Next week pa yung pet hodl. Sasama kita next week. Do you want? Yes? Ayun sila.
Friend si Kenji.
Oh, okay.
No friend. Ganon.
Saan? Anong TikTok?
Yung TikTok niya nakakasama si Babon sa si Kenji. My best friend. Ding ding ding. Okay, ano yun? Babon. Tapos kay Kenji biglang, no friend. Hindi ko nga ilawansin eh. No friend yan. Ang pait-pait niyan eh.
So, it's currently 4:30 and hindi pa din kami umaalis. I don't know, umaalis ba tayo? Tara na. Anyway, so kanina dumating na yung maglalagay ng shelf. Kaya medyo late na kami nakapag-prepare. But yeah, I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Ayun na siya. Ay, ba't tayo mag-focus? Ayan. But, syempre, wala pa masyado nakalagay. Hindi ko pa din alam paano ko siya aayusin. Pero what I'm most excited about is the cabinets. So, after that's installed, feeling ko mas ma-organize ko na kung ano yung mga ilalagay ko dun sa kitchen.
IKEA.
Anuhin mo na lang, mommy. Yeah, yun lang. So, alis na kami. And let's go!
Parang kakachat ko lang kanina na kailangan na natin magkita dahil sa aminin ka sa amin.
Ito na yun. Sorry, team. 458.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. So, today is April 18. It's time check. It's currently 2:40 p.m. And I wasn't able to vlog yesterday. So, the last footage was from when I was getting my contact lens. And as you can see, bago ang haircut. So, I got a haircut kasi sobrang init na lately. And parang it doesn't make any sense if hindi pa ako magpapagupit. Since ganito naman talaga yung hairstyle ko even before pa. So, a little update for the kitchen renovation. Hindi dumating yung gagawa kahapon. So, yeah, the timeline is gonna be delayed and I'm not sure ngayon, like as of now, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya dadating. But hopefully within this week para by the around weekend makapag-ayos na kami ng kitchen. Kasi excited na ako for the kitchen. If you guys notice, for the past couple of footages, medyo nag-iba na yung crop ng lens. I guess it's wider now. Well, it is wider than the previous ones. That's because of this Ulonzi purchase that I made. So, I made this purchase 3 weeks ago. Tapos, ngayon ko lang, hindi pa naman ngayon, parang last week nakuha ko na siya. So, this is the, actually nakalagay siya, pero I will be removing this. So, ayan. So, this is what it looks like originally with the kit lens. But, because I have this now, it's the Ulonzi WL3 wide angle macro lens adapter. So it's only for 2,500. If you are, hold on. If you are using a similar camera to mine, the Sony ZV-E, then this one is a really good purchase. Instead of splurging 30,000 for a wider Sony lens, if you're just a beginner or you will just use it like for vlogging, and yeah, entry vlogging must have. Stay. No, not that. Down. Bubbles. Oh. Speak. Good job. Paligid sa akin. Sabihin ko lang yung magic word. Dentastics. 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 Gusto mo dentastics? Gusto ni Maki ko. Alam niya kasi, andito kasi yung dentastics. Paano to? Isa na lang to. Kanino natin ibibiga? Oops! No! No! Magbuboy ah! Hindi naman. Ano ta? No! Not yet!